Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you use passwords apps in your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version iOS 18, then you can use this passwords apps for your different passwords on your iPhone. So guys, let me show you how can you get this or how can you use it. So guys, first of all, you have to simply make it sure that you are using the updated version of iOS, that is iOS 18. So guys, here you can see the updated version. So guys, here you can see this, I am running iOS 18.0. So guys, simply first of all update it, and after this you have to open App Store and again wait here for some seconds, and now search here for passwords. And scroll it below, and here you can see passwords apps. So guys, simply open the password app, and if you tap on all, here you can see all your saved passwords for your different websites. So guys, here you can see your Facebook password, your Google password, or your other website passwords. Here you can see all of them. You can also copy or see passwords from here as well. So guys, let me show you. And from here you can see your password, or you can copy your password from here. So guys, after this, if you go back, here is the passkeys. You can also see all your passkeys from here. So guys, here is the passkey for my TikTok, and if you go back and tap on codes, here you can see all your verification codes, and here you can see your Wi-Fi passwords for different Wi-Fi's. So guys, here you can see all of your passwords for your connected Wi-Fi's. So guys, you can also copy them from here. And if you go back, here you can see recommendations for your security, and in the end you can see deleted passwords here which you have recently deleted. So guys, in this way you can also get this app, and you can also use this app in your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.